In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use Boost on Moneylion. Open the instacash SM dashboard on your device. You can typically find this within the Moneylion app. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the option labeled Peer Boost. It's usually prominently displayed, but if you're having trouble finding it, you can check under the section related to sending or receiving funds. In the Peer Boost section, you'll see an option to search through your contacts. Tap on this option. You can search for your contacts by entering their name or phone number. If your contacts aren't synced with your Moneylion, you may not see them listed when you search. And if you still can't find your friends, don't worry. Moneylion provides each user with a unique username called a roar tag. This username starts with a $sign. You can use roar tags to send funds and peer boosts to your friends. To send a peer boost using roar tag, simply enter the recipient's roar tag info in the search bar. Moneylion will then locate the user associated with that roar tag, allowing you to send them a boost. Once you've found the contact or entered their roar tag, you can proceed to send them a peer boost. Follow the prompts to select the amount you'd like to boost. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.